How to replace the sensor of Uwell Kogo Ak2. Step-by-step guide. Opening scene. Camera fades into the workbench with the Uwell Kogo Ak2 end tools neatly arranged. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to replace the sensor of the Uwell Kogo Ak2. Will guide you step by step through the process of opening the device, replacing the sensor, and closing it back up. Let's get started. Close-up of tools. Here are the tools we'll need: a small screwdriver, tweezers, and of course,
host. Here are the tools we'll need: a small screwdriver, tweezers, and of course,
opening the device. First, we'll carefully open the device. Use the screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel. Be gentle to avoid damaging any components. Host removing screws and opening the device. Once the screws are out, gently lift the back panel to reveal the internal components. Here, you can see the old sensor that we need. Removing the old sensor. Using the tweezers, carefully detach the old sensor from its connection points. Take your time and be patient to avoid causing any damage. Post removing the old sensor. Now it's time to install the new sensor. Align it correctly with the connection points and gently press it into place. Installing the new sensor. We put a lot of effort into these videos for you all. Sometimes we even risk damaging new devices just to show you how to fix them, so you can resolve issues with your own devices. Host installing the new sensor. With the new sensor in place, it's time to close the device. Carefully replace the back panel and screw it back on. Scene. Host closing the device and replacing screws. Make sure everything is secure and properly aligned. Host addressing the camera. And there you have it. Your Uwell Kogo Ak2 should now be working perfectly with the new sensor. We hope this video was helpful for you. Remember, the more you like, subscribe, and share our content, the more motivation we get to create even more helpful videos for you. Host holding the device and giving a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe and like buttons with channel logo and a call to action. Subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Feel free to adjust any parts to better fit your style or add any additional details you think might be helpful.